But say, with all due respect, we are not doing ourselves no good in our communication. Our communication is still lacking because, listen, we made a mistake with e-levy. You understand? We made a big mistake with e-levy. Instead of communicating exactly what e-levy was about, we allowed the opposition party play politics with it. We kept silence until the point where we saw say, hey, I didn't want show my NGO before we started even traveling. When we started even talking to Ghanaians, we go jinawa na ya kan brofo. Shout out to Fatih Abubakar. Oya dear. Sremini ba wo jinawa wo richi edi chirem. Na me papa pon Nkrumah, me am boss. Ma boni si uti jina na brofo sam. Oso nu sabe achimni ayirebini wo Eastern region afi wuti chi. Ene yetena ho. And then this for the where the ebegu say ebegu mobile business obi anko yin sika mo bi akran and send bio say me send this come the befaka ye mo mu ye de confuse nkrofo. We sat down and waited until the thing was already getting out of hands before we started going what down to people, telling them the things that is actually involved in this. For all you know, Sankan Nkrumah bebreti as ye said there be 11 year GB. Na ya dibia mama mo amu won krasin no loan na mo so mo bojo kakra mo ye no matumi de aye as you start e kire na. I believe Sankan Nkrumah and fight it. MPP communication Sanka yetumi ton ye niama 11 no yetumi ton ni ye e na ya ntwanya e kire ya ansa anka be ha anka we would have been better off. Then America sa finance ministry started engaging people about this e-levy and that is one thing that kills me about the citizenry of Ghana. Yeah, you're very hypocritical, and when they hate you or when they don't like you, no matter what you do, the Ghana man, the Ghana woman will not like you. So many people were engaged, stakeholders. Why? Ensu yedi e-levy ba ena man kan kire making na yama NDC for more than 5 press conferences against ensu yesi yan contact you bia with all the engagements that went on. But because the party in power, me am a party, utie me an kasame party NPP, and to me an ton sa e-levy no correct inti. We all saw the result of e-levy. It became a political capital for these useless NDC folks who thinks as a Ghana crash here just automatic they are coming to power. Say you want to come to power, but all the umpire and say and near man get to worse and worse and worse and worse because near man get to worse and worse and worse and abeba power. Now Sebi they be a mekasa omoye buka for party no mon running kwechiri no. Ni bi dey say okay, no problem. You say near man say ye niska ye ni hwe. What pamu abayo no problem. NDC waba. Skabe na adebe yedwuma. Police be na adebe yedwuma. Military be na adekwa yedwuma. Parliament be na adekwa yedwuma. High Court be na adekwa yedwuma. You see, the time has come awon se mekasa mama yentie di America no more. Cause I don't come here to deceive anybody or I'm not here to play to anybody's play. If my party does it and it is good, sure, I will be here singing. But if they do it and it is wrong, it is a duty on my person to make sure, say, I'm clearing the dust and I'm clearing the bushes in my house so that or what beyond to me. So when I talk like this about MPP, because what has NDC showed? Nothing. We sat down, played with e-levy, kopim say no so no, a bad gene semu answer. And the same thing we are doing with the debt restructuring. First, no, debt restructuring I ever started. It was already told. Ya catch now, it was already told. Say, wo principle, and now we see car with the koto 100 year. She enkano. Nembom. interest na esank yetua for 2023 no eno ene be ha yen enti yentumi mamo adentia because they say baby ayedu no ni interest egu yeso no mene yen obi te Ghana omen say be ye yo omen and your betu no patriotic. I love Ghana Black Star omo bobo a obe supporto but the odwene ni nane ono nafu na ebe men no. So many countries. I can point Jamaica, I can point this European country. Oh man, is it Montenegro? No, one of them. There was another country that I wanted to mention in how do you call it, in Africa that tried to do similar things. That's a restructuring, you know. Then you are told to say, okay, a son say yenya bi enfam out 2023 intino 2024, and I said the next year. Utie, this is what the finance minister, ye kind sa paper no waha, ye kind bibia waha say. Samobe kaya, we read everything here. Or say, o principle nankasa wode to one ye usika ne de. Yamfa hwe nka. Nembom interest na woso no. Ana say interest ye ebeguso no. Ena this year yenye den, yenya emfa mawo. Ne no kura no next year no, ye compensate you. Eno nkoda nchen. Ena ye se okuja to aburo kwa won. Se sa ade wi. Utie. Se ye investigation ye bibia wie. Na eba out se ampa. Papa no e transfer ka say ni say from the ADB account at the max with secretariat and the yet tua na back here. Chairman, I swear anywhere I meet that guy, I'll slap him when next time I go to Ghana. Whether Parliament, whether he's me born assume to Yame. Me born assume how much me to. I swear. Because of our block and Sam George. Chairman, I swear. Any opportunity I get close to Okuda Topasi and Penny block and Sam George, I will slap them. Omoncheme. Chairman, I will slap him so bad, eh? Me bona suma friend ni awon. Okuda Topasi and Penny block ano. Me bona suma friend ni amidonyame se ofri bufi awon. Wan try MP no kura no ni bio. Ofri bufi a MP no kura because me dia bufuo ni atete. Any or yawa asha me mami wiase nyina every be bona ni so friend ni. He's a devil. People like that are not supposed to live. People who always want a country to fall under chaos, they are not supposed to live.
No.
Because they indoctrinate the citizens, make them accuse and hate people wrongfully, so that they can advance their stupid political career. I made the maka, a best okay. So my catcher, they be a baby can have more than say agro. Uyamemwame. Namen Kogana. Men koko places you obukuko kuko ebi chairman na men koto se sakwasi ampeni ne to mesimim bisa hwe. I will walk straight and slap him, and I tell you, yes, I slap you, let them arrest me. Oh yes, ya be kuso na buna kuno we ati we jimi fo we
They abutre
boss there be me say NDC for this time we are not doing no gentle with them no more. Chairman, this time you me see omo yes omo jimi a yes you be Trump say jimi Pasiakwa. Na wonyansa wo utirimu anka aban aba ebie one day so one factory wo ukrum onu mo na otan no.
I know.
Pasiawa wantumi anya bi amfa nko Mahama to we anya bi amfa nko Atamesi to we anya bi amfa nko obi abedi bi ba wa why wanim tantan sa wo maame muchi aho wate wanim tantan sa muchi ayanka ho ntwoma ebedire okan kwase asem because enkrofo betie such a stupid person, we call that person an honorable. Such a fool,
know, right?
A liar, a pathological liar like Kwasia Broka. We still spend time to listen to such a fool. Give him chances to sit on media and talk craziness. Chairman, for let me to. Now, we share a page, no.